Hello! In this lecture, we are making a simple paint application and we explain how we take place three mouse events: mouse down, mouse up and mouse move. First, as part of the design, we need to change the background color of the form in white. In order to do that, we go to the Properties panel, search for Back Color and change the control to white. Secondly, we need from the toolbox a status strip control. We search for status strip, we add to the form, we double click, we have tool strip status label 1. Then we press right click of the mouse and select view code, or simply as a shortcut F7 key, and we enter on the source code area. We will need a new namespace using system.collections that will generate a non-generic collection called ArrayList class. We declare two variables inside our public class. First, ArrayList, list of points, and the second variable, bool pencil down. This variable takes two values, true or false, meaning that is active or not on our form when the mouse click is pressed. Inside our main form, after the initialize component, we must set the array list of points and initialize it. New array list. And also set the pencil down to false, meaning that is not active yet. After that, we need the events functions to be placed on the source code. We go to the form and click the events tab and search for mouse down and double click. Then we search for mouse up and double click. And finally mouse move and double click. We start with the mouse down function and we need an instance of point structure, point p equal new point with two mouse coordinates e.x and e.y. Then add the point to the array list of points that add point, set the pencil down to true, meaning that is active when we press the mouse, and set the this.statusstrip1.items of 0.text equal mouse down. On the mouse up function, we set the pencil down to false, meaning that is active when do not press of the mouse, and set the status strip 1 of items 0.text equal mouse up. Graphics in .NET begins with drawing lines and shapes and continues on with work on images and formatting text. Drawing begins with the system.drawing namespace with the graphics class. Graphics g equal this.createGraphics method. We simply create an instance and typically call a controls_createGraphics method, creating a graphics object. Then we need a point structure, points equal new point with two coordinates e.x and e.y. Then we need a pen structure, pen, pencil equal new pen that determines the color of the line, color dot blue violet. Then if pencil down is active, we set the status strip 1, items of 0 dot text to mouse move. Then if list of points dot count greater than 1, meaning if is greater than a dot, we must draw a line. G dot draw line, and we need a pencil. The first point to connect, point, list of points dot count -1, and the second point to connect, points. Then we add to the array list of points dot add points. Then we go to the debugging, start debugging, or simply as a shortcut F5, and we enter on the debugging mode. We have mouse down, mouse move when we draw the line, and mouse up.